Hello everyone, welcome to another Lavelle Clater's Projects with a Purpose. This is a project I have been working on and I wanted to share with you. This is a reusable attendance sheet. The great thing about this is that it tracks throughout the whole year, but it also has a master sheet where you can actually pull your students' information to see all the information at a glance. Let me show you a little bit how it works. So this particular person wanted July to June, and they wanted to just, that's all they wanted. And so what you would do is put the first day of July, which this year will be 7/1/2019. And that date will populate here, and it'll populate on all of the spreadsheets. So all of the spreadsheets should be correct, 2019. And when we go to January, it should say 2020. And let me see what else. Oh, so then here is, you can just put the name of your company and the name of your program. And once you click out, it should populate all of your spreadsheets as well. And I'm just going through just to show you that it populated. So normally when you start this, you would click here and put in your students' information. So we have a few students. So we have, depending on how, I like first name, last name, but she liked last name, first name. You can put however you want it. And so you would put the students' names here and then their grades here. And let's say we're going to go to July. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so you can see. So here's July, and we're going to do the first student is going to be, we'll do Candace Johnson. She's in the 4th grade, and she attends every Monday. That's the only day she's attends. So we'll put P for present for Mondays. Sorry, Monday, and I think there's another Monday. So she attended 5 days, and then this particular company wanted to be able to base the percentage of when that student attended. So she attended all 5 days, so she attended 100%. And let's go ahead and add another student. Let's do Frank, 5th grader. He attends, he should be there every day. So we're just going to put some. And okay, so he's absent. We'll put he's absent that week. We're not sure why. And then the following week, you know, he got the flu, so he's excused. And then he's back in. And then so he's in for those other days. So we have 13 days that he's been present, but we also see that he was absent or he had an excused absence. So I think this month was 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 days that he could have attended. So he attended 57%. And if you go to the next month, we're just going to throw in, let's do Lavelle. She's starting, where is she? Lavelle starting this month. She's only supposed to attend on Mondays, so she's going to be there every Monday. And looks like she has great attendance, because I'm awesome. So I have 4 days that I attended, and that's the amount of days that, so I have 100% attendance for that particular month. So the great thing about that is that I can choose from here and say, hey, oh shoot, I can't remember all the, was it Frank, I think? Okay, so here's Frank's information for that month. And then I believe we did Candace. So here's Candace's information. And then we also did Lavelle. So here's Lavelle. So we didn't put any information here on that month for Lavelle. So if we click here, it should take us to July. So Lavelle was not here. And then if you look at the very end of this, in this area here, it'll calculate all the way across. Let's do December. And we're going to do Lavelle again because she's awesome. Okay. So I was absent. You know, I have an excused absent for that Monday. I have an excused absent for this Monday. And I was present that Monday, present that Monday, and present that Monday. So I'm supposed to be there 5 days, but I wasn't. So when you go back here, you see how Lavelle popped here. And say at a glance, you just want to, I just need to see what's going on with Lavelle. Lavelle's mom's coming. She wants to know how her attendance is. And you can quickly pull my information right here. And it's just at a glance for one student. And then you say, oh, well, let me just check out. Okay, so I'm getting ready to meet with Candace's mom. I'm sorry, not Kathy. Candace's mom, and it'll bring me that information for Candace's mom. The other great thing about this is once you're done and you saved it, you can just reuse it again. We're going to say we're going to use it again for next year, which is, well, first let's clear the sheet. We already saved it. We're going to clear all the data. So when you click this button right here, what it does, it goes through the whole sheet and clears everything. So only thing it does not clear is the student names. You'll have to clear that yourself because 9 times out of 10, these are going to be repeating students. Let me go back. Okay. And then we're going to go to the next year. We're in 2019 here. So we're going to do, I just want to make sure I'm in the right place. Okay. 7/1/2020. As you see, 2020 is here. And let's look at January. So 2021. So you can continue to reuse this as often or as many times as you would like. So would love to have some feedback on this. What are your thoughts? You know, what can I do to improve? What do you feel like, you know, if you added this would be super awesome. The other thing is I'm actually going to be putting in for a grant to provide these free spreadsheets that I'm creating to organizations. Of course, there'll be a small RFP, mainly just asking for feedback on the software and how did it work for you. The next video that I want to put out is a sample of a registration form. If you would like me to design a registration form or a registration tracker, let me know what information you would like to collect. So in my mind, I'm going to do on tab 1, these are tabs down here at the bottom. So on tab 1, I'm probably want to do just logistics, like the student's information, like their name, parent information, and that would be it. And then on my next tab, it will probably be emergency contact information. My next tab, I might want customized labels so that if I need to mail something out or so on and so forth. So your feedback would really be greatly appreciated. I will be applying for the grant mid-May and would like to make sure that I put in as much information that the funder will say, hey, yeah, we'll be happy to fund you, and we'll move forward from there. And if you have any questions, definitely you can leave a comment, or you can go to my website where you'll find more information about the services I provide at lavelclaterconsultant.com. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.